Here are 8 French expressions many learners confuse. Let's fix them simply with clear English meanings. I'll give you the meaning in French and English, plus examples you can use immediately. C'est bon means it tastes good or it's okay. C'est bien means that's good in general. Examples: le repas est bon, the meal tastes good. C'est bien, that's good. S'il vous plaît means please in everyday conversation. Merci de, it's also please, but more formal, especially in emails. Examples: fermez la porte s'il vous plaît. Close the door please. Merci de répondre rapidement. Please reply quickly or kindly reply quickly. Parce que means because in everyday speech. Car also means because, but it is more formal. Example: je pars parce que je suis fatigué. I'm leaving because I am tired. Encore can mean again or still. Toujours usually means always, but sometimes it can also mean still depending on context. Examples: il dort encore. He's still sleeping. Il travaille toujours. This can mean he always works. That's a habit. Or he is still working. That's for the context. So, how do you know the meaning? You must look at the context. If it is a habit, you use always. If it is happening now, you use still. In speaking, French people often rely on context, not just the word. Depuis means since or for, and the action is still happening. Il y a means ago for a finished action. Examples: j'ai étudié depuis 2 ans. I've been studying for 2 years. J'ai commencé il y a 2 ans. I started 2 years ago. Gentiment means nicely. Bien vouloir means kindly, but only in formal requests. Examples: il parle gentiment. He speaks nicely. Veuillez bien vouloir répondre. Kindly respond. Dans les plus brefs délais means as soon as possible. It's very formal. Au plus vite also means as soon as possible, but more natural. Examples: répondez dans les plus brefs délais. Reply as soon as possible. Réponds au plus vite. Reply as soon as possible. This one is more casual. Même si means even if. Bien que means although, and it is more formal. Example: même s'il pleut, even if it rains. Bien qu'il soit fatigué, although he's tired. These small differences can completely change your French. If you want part 2, let me know in the comments. Follow Relis Academy for more French lessons.